will be punished up to the fourth generation if they continue the sinful habits of their parents. Could this mean that the last born in a family is held to a higher standard since he's seen his siblings grow up?
No, siblings is the same generation, but basically the pressure is there. Yeah. So the best for example, if we go into the laws of Lashon Hara, right? So it is not allowed to speak disparagingly about anybody for no reason. But if you want to give somebody an example, right? So for example, you're going with your kids to the park to play, and you see this guy like homeless, like that, and did not wash himself for I don't know how a few weeks. Drug users, like he has like bottle of vodka sticking out of his back pocket or something, and you can say, children, you know this guy? You see this guy? You know that he was actually my school buddy many years ago, but because of bad choices, that's how he turned out. You understand? So it would, in this case, it would be absolutely allowed to say bad things to scare your kids out. So like we were playing around. We were like until 12 years old or whatever. We were like buddies, but he made all the bad choice, and that's what happened to him. So same with these siblings. If you see the siblings, so you're youngest in your family, and you see these siblings how their life they live. So and he knew the potential, and they like. It's not somebody like from another city, from another town. Like it's from your family. You know this nice people, and because of the choices, look, I don't want to be like that. I don't want to end up like that. You understand? So it's in some sense it's puts on a pressure on that child for sure, right? Pressure like to choose, like you see like clearly. It's not like somebody promised the fourth generation, five. Like you see with your siblings. Like what's going on? I see with my siblings. I see with my family. Right? Everybody have a freedom of choice.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.